Hey creators, Phil Ebner here, and in this video, I'm going to share a lesson from our brand new ZBrush course. In this lesson, our instructor from Class Creatives, whom I'm partnering with on this course, is going to break down the entire game development process, or more specifically, the 3D character development process. As someone who isn't in this industry myself, I don't do 3D gaming or 3D assets for film. I was really interested in this, and I think this video helps anyone who is interested in jumping into 3D gaming or 3D animation. This is going to help you understand what the process is and also where ZBrush, the tool, fits in. Because ZBrush is the tool that is used for 3D sculpting, something that I wasn't really aware of before partnering with Class Creatives on this really great beginner course. And so I'm going to pass it over to them and they'll break down the process even further right now.
Before we get started, for anyone who is new to the 3D game world, or more specifically, the 3D character creation world, I wanted to briefly cover exactly what it entails. Now, we will be discussing this in regards to video game production, but keep in mind that this process closely relates to the film world as well. Okay, so when I refer to the character creation workflow, here's what it looks like. The 3D character artist receives a 2D concept art, which is essentially the design of the character. And our job as a 3D character artist is to recreate that piece in a 3D world. We're going to take it off the paper and into an interactive 3D game. We're going to be doing so by starting with a high resolution sculpt. From there, we go ahead and optimize it. So we'll be moving on to the optimization phase. From there, we go ahead and bake our maps and we can begin texturing, adding color and material definition to what was previously a ball of clay. Finally, we will integrate the character into the game engine. Now, ZBrush fits into the first part of that workflow, the high resolution sculpt. Without ZBrush, without sculpting the initial character, we cannot move on and we cannot begin creating believable characters in a 3D world. So once you take this course, you'll be on your way to understanding the initial workflow to start creating believable characters within ZBrush. And you can start obtaining the skills to build a strong foundation to become an accomplished professional 3D character artist in the video gaming industry.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this breakdown, and if you're interested in learning ZBrush, we'll include a link down in the description to get access to this complete beginner course. Like it was mentioned, this is a great application for sculpting your 3D characters or assets. And if you're interested in getting a job or building a career or doing 3D games or films yourself, this is an essential skill that you'll need to know. I hope to see you in the class and enjoy.